Guilty of first-degree murder. The verdict tonight for Thomas Stanko, 8 years after the death of his ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Gross. Good evening. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Ken Rice. A Westmoreland County jury convicted Stanko, even though Gross's remains have never been found. She was declared dead months after she went missing back in 2018. The jury reached its verdict in under 4 hours, dismissing the defense claim that there was no evidence a murder even took place. Jennifer Barrasso is in Greensburg tonight with reaction from Gross's family.
Can't imagine waiting 8 years. Cassandra Gross's mom is happy she feels some sense of closure. Thomas Stanko, he took the stand and maintained his innocence, but the jury wasn't convinced. The biggest question tonight is, where is Cassandra Gross's remains?
Tom, where's Cassandra Gross?
Thomas Stanko ignored reporters' questions as he left the Westmoreland County Courthouse. This after a jury found him guilty of first-degree murder in the death and disappearance of his ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Gross. Gross went missing in April 2018. 4 years later, Stanko was charged with homicide.
Justice will pass, Kathy.
Cassandra's mother, Kathy, was in the courtroom while the verdict was read.
There's not words for what I'm feeling right now. It took me 8 years to get him. I got him. I'm just so happy that the DA did a wonderful job.
Kathy organized 128 private searches looking for her daughter. She says she feels some closure with the guilty verdict.
Some, but I want to know what he did with her.
Prosecutors argued Stanko killed Gross on April 7, 2018, burned her belongings and discarded her body. Gross's remains have never been found, a challenge in the case.
It was challenging because he destroyed every piece of evidence that we would want, but luckily they were able to find most of the remnants of what it was that he destroyed.
The prosecution had more than 30 witnesses testify, and they presented more than 300 pieces of evidence, including burned remnants of Gross's eyeglasses, clothing, and other belongings recovered on Stanko's property days after she was reported missing. Stanko took the stand and maintained his innocence. He testified Gross left his home in Unity Township after 7 p.m. on the night she disappeared to go shopping, and he never saw her again. Stanko's ex-wife testified he was physically abusive when she tried to end their relationship, threatened to kill her, and discard her body so it would never be found. In his closing argument, the prosecution suggested Stanko killed Gross, moved her body to his mom's property the following morning, and burned her SUV. Stanko's defense attorney, Mark Daffner, argued the district attorney painted his client as a criminal mastermind and pointed out there was no blood evidence, no DNA, no murder weapon, and no body. He said the case was built on assumptions. I reached out to Thomas Stanko's attorney. He did not return my call. Now, he will be sentenced later this year. He will spend the rest of his life behind bars, a mandatory sentence. Now, what's next? The prosecution was asked in terms of the search of Cassandra Gross. That prosecutor said that state police will follow any leads. Only time will tell. Reporting outside the Westmoreland County Courthouse, Jennifer Barrasso, KDKA-TV News.